Welcome to MakerVerse. My name is Ruby. Today I will walk you through our platform designed to make your manufacturing processes smoother and more efficient. All you need to do is upload a part. We'll take care of production with our fully vetted supply chain. Using our platform and requesting a quote is totally free. You only need to pay if you order. So let's get started. To begin, upload your design file. The most common format for additive manufacturing is STL. For everything else, like CNC machining, it's usually step files. You can upload several parts at once. I will just click Add a sample part as an example. Next, select the manufacturing method and material. We have more than a dozen technologies and 100 materials. We're always adding more options. If the material you need is not available, you can request it here. I'll select CNC machining for now. If you see this green euro sign, you can get an instant quote for your part. If you don't see the green euro sign, expect a quote within 24 hours. Next, let's pick our material. I'll choose aluminum 6061. Here, you can either get an instant quote or request a production quote. Production quotes are for high quantity or multi-part assembly orders where you can provide additional details. So, let's go for an instant quote at the moment. Did you see that speed? It's our system ensuring you don't waste a second. Our AI-powered algorithm calculates the price and the lead time for you. You can look at your part again in the 3D viewer here. For additive manufacturing, you can even get an additional DFM check here. If you want, you can also edit the specifications as needed. Scrolling back to the top, you see I have several options. If I need my part quickly, I can select Express. If I'm more interested in reducing costs, I can select Economy. I'll keep the standard option. Here, you fill in your shipping and billing information. Fill in your company's details like the VAT ID and your payment details. Finally, we're at the order confirmation page. Review your order one last time. Download the quotation if you need it. If your company requires a purchase order, you can also upload that here. And just like that, you've navigated MakerVerse to optimize your manufacturing process. You can click to confirm your order. Thank you so much for joining this demo. MakerVerse is here to simplify and amplify your manufacturing needs. We're excited for you to try it out.